Hello, this is my Frogger code. So the top part here is just the code I imported from my Bitmoji. The this part here is the button object code. So button draw, handle, mouse click, all that stuff. I made two buttons. The next button right here brings you to the next scene, and the pause button brings you back to the home screen. Um, this is an object for my Bitmoji just to keep track of the X and Y. Um, this prototype draws the Bitmoji. Bitmoji.hop just increases the Y or decreases by 5 while you're holding it, like this, and fall decreases it by 5 while you're not holding it. This code right here checks if the Bitmoji is within the car, like that. And if it is, it takes the car off the screen and it decreases the score by 1. Um, this is the object for a car. This prototype just draws the car. This is a list that contains all the cars, and this for loop creates 100 cars at random y values and stretching back on the x plane. This function checks the score, so there's this variable here. If the variable is 0, then it'll score when the Bitmoji reaches the top, like that. And if the and then that variable increases by 1, and then it'll score when it reaches the bottom of the screen, like that, and the variable will go back to 0. This code just draws the splash screen, like that. This is a draw function that draws everything. Um, I guess the only thing of note that I haven't shown yet is well, somewhere in here, if the last car, so car 99 index value, has an X value that's less than 0, it'll print game over on the screen right here. And then this mouse click just handles the buttons, like so.